Hi guys, I want us to deal with this page, this product page. Essentially, show all the products we have in our site. Uh, on our initial implementation, if you remember the previous tutorial, what we did was, let me show you quickly. Let me run the server, expand this one. Mm, Server. On our initial implementation, we implemented the functionality that when we click on a product like this one, we can see the details of this product, the name, the price of the product, the description, the stuff, but we don't have a page to show all those products. With this product, I want to show all those products. The same with category. We're also going to do that after doing this, but for now, let's implement this page. So to do that, all we are going to do, it's very simple. It's just render the page and also make sure that every time we get a product, the newest product comes first, and then the rest of them follows. So I'm only going to do. I'm going to start by creating a view. To do this, I'm just going to get a view, or even let's start by loading the HTML. So on the template I provided, find an HTML file called product list. Just click it and drag it on your editor. All I want us to do is to copy this code. Just copy the code. Then on the templates, on the shoe app, right click and we create a file called product list.html. This will hold the code to display all those products. Then paste the code. Remove this one like that. The first thing we're going to do is to render this page with all the products first to make sure that it's working correctly. To do that, we are going to create a function, a view function. So I'm going to create a view function called product list view. So I'm going to say define product list view. Then it's the same stuff, request, then we render the page. Return render, request, then the location of our HTML, that is it's at shoes slash the name it's product list dot html, like that. Then after we create a function, the next thing is we create a URL for that HTML. To do that, we just go to our URLs on the shoe app. We create a path. I'm just going to create it just above the this product ID. So I'm just going to call this product, say path. Then how we want to show it, it's products, like that. Sorry. Then views dot the name of our view. Then name is equals to the name you're going to use, like when we adding to like product list, the URL. I want to call it product list, like that. Product list, products are going to navigate to products, then we get our view. Okay, like that. We have our view. Then I'm going to change this to into giga templating in a way that Django can understand it. To do that, I'm just going to do like the way we did before. So I'm just going to search main, like that. I corrupt this, then I delete the header and the footer. Just going to delete this footer. Then I delete the header. Then I just extend the base.html. So to do that, just extends partials slash base.html. This partials base.html. This base.html, like I said previously, it has the head and the footer. Just extend it. Extends partials slash base.html, like that, and then we load static. So it's to load all the static files we have. Then because we have those statics like images, we convert them in a way that Django understands them. To do that, I'm going to use Auto Django. So Control Shift P, then I search for Auto Django. This Auto Django. Static tags have been added. You see, all these statics have been added. Then the next thing I forgot is to place this in a block content. So we can say block content, then and block content, like that. Quite simple, very simple. I remember block content, like I said before. Yes, block content. Let me look at it. It's this block content. We have our header, then block content. This block content, we want it to be between here, and then we have our footer. Headed footer, we extended them. Extends partials based on HTML. Then we wrote in the static. Then we place this content between this block content. It's that simple. It's really simple. So now let's test it to see whether it's working. So to test it, we are going to go to the URL /products. So I'm just going to, okay, everything is loading. I'm going to refresh this. Okay, then I go to /products. Everything is working correctly. Images are being the products are being rendered. But now we don't want to render the products this way. We want to get the product from our database. So we only need one, and then we loop through that one product. So to do that, I'm going to delete all these other products, and then I want us to only remain with this product. So that's what you're going to do. So on our product list, let's find all those products. It's on these columns. So we have in this class product grid. So it's one. There's a lot of them. Let me do this quickly. So many products. I just want one. So I'm just going to delete. This. like that. So first thing, we get all the products from our database. We're going to say, we're going to use the variable name products. I'm going to say products is equals to product our model. Let me show you this model of ours product. We want to say product dot objects, or these are objects dot filter. We want to filter, I want to filter all the products, all these objects with a status. Remember, we define product status. Let me show you status with a status published. I want to show all the products that have a status published. If a product has a status draft, I don't want to show it, or disabled. I just want to show all products that have a status published. So I'm going to say, so it's product.objects.filter. Then I'm gonna say product status is equals to published. Product status is equals to published. This product status, where is it? This product status is equals to that published. It's quite simple. Product status is equals to published. Then I want to order by ID. Every new product we add, it comes first. So it's dot order by ID. Remember, it's a hyphen, then ID. Like that. Then all we are going to do now is just pass the context, and then we are done. So to do that, just pass context is equals to, then I'm gonna say products like that. Then I'm just going to pass context here. Then we are going to use this product name to get all these products from here. So to do this, since we are looping, what I'm going to say is just say for P in products, for P for every one product in all those products, then we end for one product in all those products, what do we want to get in that product. So we define what we want to get within this column. We want to get the title, we want to get the image and all that stuff. So for P in products, we start with this image. So we're just going to replace this. Here we're going to say, no, it's double, like that. So it's p dot image dot url, like I said before, p dot image dot url, because we're uploading to p dot image dot url, like that. The same with this other one. P dot image dot url. I also want to get the title. So it's the title, this is the title. So here it's p dot title, p dot title. I think no, here it's supposed to be category. So here it's p dot category dot title, p dot category, that category, then the title of that category, then this is the title of that product, p dot title, like that. You also want to get the price. This is the new price, so this is p dot uh, p dot price. I think it's p dot price. Let me confirm. Yeah, it's p dot price, the current price. So it's p dot price, then the old price, p dot old price, like that. We are going to deal with this later. Like that. Also, something else I think we should add, it's like here, p dot title, when we click on the title, we'll be redirected to the detail of this product because we already defined this. So yeah, I'm just going to pass a URL. So it's URL, then our URL, so it shows product detail, I think. Let's see. It's product detail, the detail of this product. Product detail, then p.pid. This one product dot its product ID. It's like really quite simple, like that. I don't think there's anything else. Let me just check. I think everything is good. So let's test it out and see that's working. I'm just going to refresh. You can see it's working correctly. We only have 3 products in our database, so it's getting all the products. When I click, let me just click on one of these titles. It's redirecting to the detail of that product. So everything is working correctly. So next we're going to do the same on category. We want to list all the categories, and then when I click on one category, I can see all the products of that category. Then after that, I think we're going to deal with this part, related products. Yeah, I think that's it for now, and thank you.